ating taglay. San man mapadpad ng hangin, hindi magbabagong aking pagtingin. Pangako natin sa may kapal na tayo lamang sa habang buhay maghintay. Ipaglalaban ko ang ating pag-ibig. Maghintay ka lamang, ako'y darating. Pagkapsaysang taong mahal mo ng buong puso, lahat ay gagawin. Makita ka muli, makita ka muli. Hey lady, how's life been moving on? I can't deny it, now you are gone. This is the first time can I make it through without you now? Do the things I used to do. It's getting harder to ease the pain. The feeling changes and love still remains. I don't know how, if I can get this right. Maybe given time I'll make the most of what I've got. Is this the price we pay with all the victories we share faithfully? We've got a reason to go on. I know it's good to be true, just spending nights with you. Let me tell you that a love can make it through. Hold on, lady, hold on. We've got to go on now, this feeling so strong. Hold on, lady, hold on. It's a burning desire coming right down the wire. Araw-gabi, bakit naaalala ka't di ko malimot-limot ang sa atin ay nagdaan? Kung nagtatampo ka ay kailangan bang ganyan? Tingin ng dahilan at ako ay pagbigyan. Kailangan ko ang tunay na pag-ibig mo, dahil tanging ikaw lang ang pintig ng puso ko. Hahayaan mo ba na maging ganun na lang? Ang isa't isa'y mayroong pagdaramdam. Bakit di pagbigyan muli ang ating pagmamahalan? Kung mawawala ay di ba't sayang naman?